YouTube. This is Justin Patron, and here's the unboxing of the pocket Wi-Fi of the school. Name is Trinity University of Asia, and here is the packaging. It's called Entrego. This is the Entrego, and this is my information. And then let's open it. So let's see here. Let's open it. Here is the pocket Wi-Fi. This is pocket Wi-Fi. Here's my Here is the information. After that, this is the box. I will open it. Thank you for receiving. This is the information paper, and this one is this is a SIM, 5G SIM, and this one is the system, the box. Let's take this. But here's this is the pocket Wi-Fi for 99 pesos. 999 pesos. And here's the Wi-Fi. Here's the pocket Wi-Fi. So let's open it. Let's open it. And here's the SIM. This is the SIM. This is my. Here is the pocket Wi-Fi. This is the pocket Wi-Fi. Let's see this. This is the battery cell, and this one is the charger. That one is the charger code. This is the box. So thank you for watching us video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.